Okay va? Right. இப்போ எதை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றீங்க?
So the production we have considered here for creating this SDD is syntax director definition, right? The production given here is L tends to E into N, where N is represented to be an N marker of this expression, right? And E tends to E1 plus T, E tends to T is a production, T tends to T1 star F, T tends to F is a production, F tends to open parenthesis capital E close parenthesis, and F tends to digit is a production, right? So the corresponding semantic rule for this production, as I mentioned earlier, each productions are associated with the semantic rules, right? So these semantic rules are specified to attain in a case of bottom-up parsing to reach from a given expression to attain the root node of a given context-free grammar. So the value which we need to calculate here is L dot value equal to E dot value, okay? Then the second prediction is E tends to E1 plus T, which refers to E dot value is equal to E1 dot value plus T dot value. So each symbol in the prediction is calculated with the attribute values. Next one, E tends to T. So E dot value is equal to T dot value. That is a semantic rule. Next one is T tends to T1 star F. So T dot value is equal to T1 dot value into F dot value. Again the next prediction for T is T tends to F. So T dot value is equal to F dot value. Then F tends to open parenthesis capital E close parenthesis represents F dot value is equal to E dot value. And F tends to digit. So digit is one of the identifier, right? Digit is one of the identifier, as we know that the regular expression for a digit is letter followed by letter or digit the whole star, right? So it compromises of identifiers or it compromises of numbers. So F dot lexical F dot value equal to digit dot lexical value will be getting input from the user. Now we are going to represent this protection and the semantic rule with the expression, and we are going to represent it in the form of an annotated parse tree. So this is an example of an protection what we have seen previously, and this is a semantic rule. So the annotated parse tree for expression that we have to derive here is 3 into 5 plus 4n. So 3 into 5 plus 4n. As I mentioned earlier, n is called as an n marker in the expression, okay? So there is no need to use this while we are evaluating this expression. Now tell me, what is the output for 3 into 5? What is the output of 3 into 5 ma? It is 15 plus 4. What is the outcome? It is 19. So ultimately when you evaluate this bottom up parsing strategy for this protection, you have to have the value of L dot value should be 19. Okay. Now we are going to represent this in the form of an annotated parse tree. So the term that we need to derive here is 3 into 5 plus 4n. So let me start from the root node. Which is the root node in the protection? Which is said to be L. So let me start. L tends to, right? L tends to, what is the first one? E. Okay. Now what is the prediction for E? E tends to E plus, what is the prediction of E? E tends to E plus T. So E tends to E plus T. Now what is the next prediction that we are going to use here? What is the next prediction that we are going to use here? E can be replaced with T, right? E can be replaced with T. So E tends to T. Okay. E tends to T. Now what is the prediction for T? The prediction for T is T1 into F. Okay. T1 into, that is T into F. What is the value of F? F tends to digit. Now for this expression, we are going to use only these predictions to evaluate this expression, and ultimately we are attaining the outcome of L value is 19, right? So let me take L. L tends to E. E tends to E plus T, right? Then what is E? E is said to be T, and T is said to be T star F, and F is said, T is said to be F, and F is said to be a lexical value. So which is digit dot lexical value, lex value. What is the lex value in the expression? 3 star 5 plus 4 n. N is an n marker. So ultimately the lexical value, the digit dot lexical value, it is going to fetch the value is equal to 3. Okay. Now the value of f is also 3. So f dot value is also 3. T dot value is also said to be 3. Now we need to know what is the value of f to calculate 3 into some value. So f is again replaced with the production of digit dot lex value, right? Digit dot lex value. Now what is the next expression, next term in this expression, which is 5. So digit dot lex value is said to be 5. So f dot value is also said to be 5. So 3 into 5 is 15, which is assigned to this t dot lex value. So now the value of t is assigned to e. So e dot value is also holding 15. Right now plus t. The right hand side of the production we are having capital T, right? Now what is the replacement for this capital T to make a evaluating the expression? After this we are having 4. So 15 plus the next value we need to fetch here is 4. So t is replaced with f. F is replaced with digit dot lex value. What is the digit dot lex value we are attaining here? It is said to be 4. So f dot value is also said to be 4. Then t dot value is also said to be 4. Now 15 plus 4 equal to 19. Therefore e dot value equal to 19 and L dot value is ultimately we are replacing with the production L tends to E into N. L dot value equal to E dot value. So what is the value of E dot value? What is the attribute value for E? It is 19. So L dot value is also equal to 19. So that is what the representation we have done using this annotated parse tree. Right? Is it clear now?